That's working the video. So there are 3 things that you need to use to just convert your gift card to a physical cash. Okay, so first thing, you should have a fast internet connection. Okay, first thing, fast internet connection is one of the priority that you should also take note of. And secondly, you should have your gift card with you. Okay, so wherever that you are, either the gift card, physical gift card with you, or a picture of it will be okay. A picture, not just any blur picture, but a picture of your gift card showing every details on it, and then this video will really help you convert it. And the third thing is that if you don't comment thank you and also like the video, you will not be able to convert your gift card, and it is just lies. Okay, but if you're new, subscribe and like the video for me, because more videos will be coming here on this channel. So the third thing that you should also take note of is that you should have a bank account. Okay, so let's say Zenith Bank, Access Bank, GCB, any bank, you should have your bank account right there. And also, if you don't have any bank account, you can also use MTN as well. Okay, so MTN, you can just use it. Okay, so that after converting your gift card, the money will be sent from there to your Momo, okay, or your bank account. Okay, so these are some of the options that you can just use to withdraw your money right there. Now let me take you through the steps, okay, and then let me show you how you can just create your account, how you can just convert it, and then how you can just withdraw to your bank account. Okay, so just subscribe and like video for me. More videos will become right here on this channel. And listen, this is 100% safe. Okay, so just use it, and then you can also refer your friends. There is more on this. Okay, so let me take you through and let's start with it. Let's go.
So this one is just a gift card trading app. Okay, so the name of it is called Cola Gift Card. So you just sell gift card right here, and then you just convert it to a physical cash. So just download it from Play Store or App Store, and then just tap on open. Okay, so let me just open mine. But if you're new, subscribe and like the video, because more videos will become right here on this channel. So when you just open the app, or after downloading, installing it from Play Store, okay, just look down here. We have the home message account, order mine. Just tap on account. Okay, when you tap on account, you can see please log in if you are not ready, if you are not already logged in. Okay, so just tap on login right here. So when you come to this side, just look down here. We have register now. Just tap on the register now, and when you come to this side, you just enter your name. Okay, so any name that you want to set as your account name, let's say Ositech. And then with the email, just enter your email right here as well. Okay, and then you just tap on the send button right here. You can see there is send. Okay, you can see there is send. Just tap on send. When you just tap on it, it will send you a code to this email account. Okay, to just verify that it is you who is creating your account. After that, look down here and tap on password, and then create a strong password for your account. So let me just create mine, and then let's continue with it. After setting a strong password, just enter this invitation code. Okay, use this invitation code 766972 as your invitation code. Okay, make sure you just enter it right there. Okay, and then with the verification code, let's go to our email, and then let me pick a code from there. So you can see this is my code. Let me just copy, and then let me just come here and paste it. Okay, so this is how it will be for the registration of your account on Cola, and then just tap on register down here. So if you're new, subscribe, because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. And if in case you need any help, just let me know in the comment section. So right now, just try to log in to your account. Okay, so let me just log in, enter my password, and then just tap on login. So now my account has been created successfully. Okay, so just tap cancel, and this is how it looks like. For the home page, we have the message side. I'll be explaining everything to you right here. Okay, so just stay cool, and then let me show you. So after creating your account, just come to mine, and you can see there is something running, just tap on it. Okay, so just tap on this one to just claim your first bonus for creating your account. So let me just try mine and see. All right, so I got 10cc free. Okay, just tap on receive now. So just check yours, and then check whether you get higher one or anyone. Okay, so after that, come back and let me show you around the app. So just tap on the home. So this is how it looks like, okay, and they have this little information right here that you can just read when you are free. Okay, so after creating your account, just scroll down. We have the PayPal option. So let's say you have paper money, but you want to just convert it to your Momo, you can just use this. If you have iTunes, gift card, Steam, anyone, you can just check right here and then you just select, okay. And then after selecting, make sure you come to this side. They have vendors, okay. So these are the people who can help you do that, okay. So let's say I want to convert my Apple iTunes gift card, okay. Then I come to this side, I just tap on sell, and then what I'm going to do is to upload, okay. So you upload the gift card right here, okay. So you can just enter the gift card code right here, and then with the image of it, and then you just tap on sell down here, okay. So this is something that will also let you know the person, the number of transaction that he has done. You have 2,271 transactions, okay. And these were some of their comments, okay. Fast and reliable. It was really nice trading with you. A little good comment, okay. So it is safe with this person, and also you can just chat with the person before you start to even do the transaction. And at the top right here, make sure you input the amount, okay. So the amount in USDT, okay, you just enter it right here. And with this person, his limit is between 100 to 400, okay. So 100 USDT to 400 USDT, okay. So just take note of this. So just start from here, you enter your amount, you come here, you upload your gift card right here, you enter the code on it, and then in no time you'll be the transaction will be completed, okay. So just take note of that. All right, now let's go back, okay. Always make sure the person that you are doing the transaction with is online before you just sell your gift card to the person. Some of them will be offline. Just look for someone who is online and look for a good rate as well. All right, so let's come to the message as well. So we have the message, personal message, and also the system message, okay. So you may see it if in case of anything, and this is where, okay, you will get your physical money straight to your account, okay. So let's say after trading it, it will come to your Kula app, okay. So you see the money right here, and then if you want to withdraw it to your account, let's say to your bank account, you can just tap on the transfer out, okay. So let's transfer out this little amount, although it may not be possible, but when you just come to the account, you tap on transfer out, okay. Transfer out, you can see the limit is 50 to 100,000, okay. And looking at our account, it is just something small. It's not possible for us to withdraw, okay. So we have the 1cc, and you can see the currency here is Naira, and the currency here is cedi. So this is for Ghanaian. So if you have 1cc, it is equal to 0.65 Ghana cedis, okay. So 1cc is 0.65 Ghana cedis, and then you can just tap on it and then just go through by selling it out, and the money will arrive in your account in 2 to 5 minutes, okay. So just take note of that. So before you can just withdraw to your account, make sure you have link your bank account to it. I'll show you, but let's come to the order, and this is where you see whether your order that you just placed has been completed, or although it may be completed but failed or cancelled, or there was a controversy. So you get to know all of these right at the order side. Let's come to my account, and this is where it is very complicated. So make sure you subscribe and like the video and stay cool and watch. All right, so we have this one. This is just a bonus as well. I just tap on sign, okay. You just sign in for a cumulative days, and you will get something, not big amount, okay. And also they have the empirical value right here. So as or the more you trade on the Kula, you get more points, you get more money from there, okay. And you have the invite friends, and also opinion feedback, okay. So we have all this right here. If anything, you can just enter it and then send it to them, okay. All right, so this is where you're going to link your bank account to Kula app, okay. So Kula gift card, this is where you're going to add your account. So just tap on add withdrawal account that can be received, and then you just enter or select the bank that you want. So let's say GCB. MTN is also here, so you can just enter MTN, and then you enter your Momo number right here. Sorry, you just enter your bank card number. Okay, so I think it's the same as your phone number. Okay, so you can just enter your phone number right here for the account, and when you come to the phone, you enter it again. Okay, then you enter your real name for the Momo number, and then you just turn on set to default bank. Okay, so that it will be automatic every time. You can just use that one. Okay, but you can just change it later by turning off set to default app, and then change stuff right here. Okay, so after that, you just tap on add right here, and it will be added or linked to your Kula gift card. Okay, trading app. Okay, so after that, if you have anything, you can just come to help center, but this is not all that best option. Okay, if you need any help, okay, I'll show you where you get proper and good help. Okay, and we have the question and answer. Okay, so some of the questions that you think you are not okay with, you can either leave it in the comment section, or when you come to this side, you can just tap on question and answer, and then you select, and then just go through with it. Okay, you can also see we have my prices. Sorry, we have settings before my prices. Just tap on settings, and you can also bind your account right here, or you can just change your nickname. Okay, so with mine, I made it Ositech. I can just change it to anyone that I want. Okay, after that, when look down here, we have log out. Okay, so the rest right here is all about telling you the policies, anti-laundering policies, the user protocol, and a lot. You can just read when you are free. Okay, but now we don't have much time of it. All right, so we have my prices right here, and you can see with the 10cc that we got, now it is here. So let's say the more you use to just exchange gift card, sell your gift card, the more you do that, you'll be getting more points, and a lot of money is in this. Okay, so far as you just trade, you earn something as well. Okay, especially when you just join one offer. I think there's one right here, and this offer is a transaction sprint. Okay, so the more you do the transaction, you earn. So just tap on join now. You just tap on it, and let's wait for it to just load for us. Okay, so the top 10 was split 2500 cc. Okay, so they have the rank right here showing you the current people who are on top. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the transaction amount here is 11,893.55 cc. Okay, so the more you trade, the more you earn more points from there to your account. Okay, all right, so you can just also tap on the quick sales. For quick sales, you just tap on it, and you can see it's just a customer service. Okay, and then you can just enter the type of gift card that you want to sell. Okay, and then you just upload a picture by tapping on the plus sign, whether you want to use camera or a picture. You just do as they say right here by uploading the picture right here, sending it to the person. The person will just find someone who will buy it at a good rate for you. Okay, yeah, so this is all about the Kula gift card trading. Okay, so you can see at the top right we have 24/7. Okay, so I just tap on it. This is the customer service. Okay, so you can just look through the question and answer available. If you're not okay and you have any issue, you can just report to them as well. So yeah, if you have any question, let it be in the comment section as well, and I'm sure I can help you out with it. Okay, so one thing that I would like to show you before you leave is new user reward. Okay, new user reward. Okay, so registration successful, you get 5cc, and one successful transaction, you get another 5cc, and 20cc and 300cc as you continue with the transaction. Okay, and as you just tap on invite friends, you can just copy your invitation link right here, and then you share it with your friends and family. And the more they also transact, or they make transactions, they sell gift card, on the Cola VIP, you get 1.5% reward per whatever that they are selling, or I mean per every transaction. Okay, so just take note of that and invite your friends to Cola gift card. Okay, trading app. So this is very simple. Download the app on Play Store or App Store and continue using it. Okay, the more you trade, you get to a higher VIP.